Harmful chemicals seem to be everywhere in the home these days and are perhaps nowhere more prevalent than in cleaning products. The long-term lung damage associated with daily use of disinfectants and bleaches is well documented. Eco-friendly cleaners aren't perfect either. When they biodegrade on surfaces, they often leave behind substances easily used by remaining bacteria as food. My project, Bubbl, looks to solve some of these issues by applying ozonated water in a home context. Ozone is created in the unit and dissolved into tap water in the bottle. Any excess ozone that comes out is converted back to regular diatomic oxygen with a manganese dioxide catalyst, ensuring user safety. The solution created works for around 15 minutes and combined with a reusable cloth can be used for general cleaning and disinfection in the home. Ozonated water effectively removes odours and kills bacteria and viruses, and has even been applied in hospitals for hand washing without the associated skin issues that can occur with soaps and alcohol rubs. According to Statista, the average UK household spends around £130 a year on cleaning products. Bubbl could retail for under 80 and costs around 37p in water and electricity a year, whilst reducing the need for more dangerous products and packaging.